मायाची 28 तारीख आज सकाळ आम बिचीर येयलो कोळे हे सुण्यान आनेकले बॉम्बे युता म्युझिशियना घासमालो आमी आज सुमार 2 सुमनां जाली गोवोरमेंटाक मागताय सुण्या ओराय आनी सोंसळ्यान तेंगे वडकी ह्या केजी घाले इंजेक्शन मारे ट्रीट कराय कितेंय जालां ऑप्शन काढाय म्हूण आज दुखून बिचीर कोण पावलना सो एश कोन जालां आमकां ट्युरिजम माल पडोले कित्याक ही बीच सुणी कोण कोणें आण सोडोली जेन्ना शेक म्हूण घार वताय तेतून तेंक जेवण पावना म्हणटू ती कोण कोणाकू घास माताय सो ती सुमार 40-50 सुणे आहाय सो आम गोवोरमेंटाक मागताय मातशें च्यानूय जालां एक वाट काण हेंक सुण्या हिंगा ती क्लियर करपाक देव बरें करूं.
Yes. I was jogging in the morning and few dogs started running behind me and they bit me on my thigh. And I think something needs to be done about the number of dogs here. And I request Goa government to please take care of this issue because apparently there have been many attacks in the recent times. Thank you. And I really want to thank Mr. Pele, who was available further down, and he offered me a ride back to Benaulim Beach where I parked my car. And I really request you please help Mr. Pele and please help him take care of the society. And I wish to thank Mr. Pele again for helping me out and for helping the locals out here. Thank you.